Hey guys, welcome to another process video, and we are on the third video of my latest series, which I am calling Scrapbooking with Project Life Cards. So here I'm showing you all of the things or the ways that I used Project Life Cards. I used three 4x6 cards, and I just placed them in the center, and then I matted my two 3x4 photos with some more Project Life cards, and then I layered some of them on the sides. One, I actually cut out the kind of design that says Boys Rule, and I layered that on top of another Project Life card. Now most of these, the ones, especially the ones with the rounded corners, are actual Becky Higgins Project Life cards, and the rest are just from different companies that I have just collected over the years. So let me count 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 4x6, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm counting that there's 13 Project Life cards here as it stands. I don't think I'm going to add any more cards to this, but I will be adding a few more stickers here and there. So just a little bit about the layout. This is my oldest son, and this is actually the very first time that he wore a suit. So he was wearing a suit to go to church, and so I thought that he just looked so dapper and handsome that I had to capture it with my phone camera, and so I just wanted to document how he looked really good with that suit. And I really liked that Project Life card that had a tie on it. I think it was the perfect accent for this. And so basically this is going to be my layout. As you can see, I started off with a red pattern paper that has a little bit of stars on there. That's actually from a kind of 4th of July patriotic theme collection, but I thought that it would work well because my son's tie has a hint of red in there, and so I thought that that would bring that color out of the picture if I used that same color in the background. So something else that I'm going to be adding here are a bunch of stickers. Now I have this iris container where I put all of my leftovers from Flavors of the Month kits that I've had, and also some other products that I've used over the last 6 months of just creating layouts. But this particular bag that I'm pulling out, these are all from my previous Flavors of the Month kit. So I love how this kit just has chock full of products that you can really maximize it and make a lot of layouts from it. So here is the sticker from Echo Park, and it has a boy theme, and I'm pulling out some stickers that I thought that way will work well, because basically the building of my layout is pretty much done. All I need is to do is to decorate it. And so now I'm just kind of putting all of the stuff together, just finding little places here and there to put the layout. And then I'm going to show you this. This is a new organization for me, and basically I pulled out all of my die cuts and I put them in this 8x8 binder. This is a mini book that I don't really want to use as a mini album, and so I just used the papers, the white papers, and then I put all of my kind of loose die cuts there. Now I do have some die cuts that are in their bags, in their containers still, because they're just the full collection, and I haven't taken them out, but I will eventually move them to this organization. So let me know if you want to see more of this mini book or the die cut organization that I have. It's nothing new. You've seen that before in some YouTube videos of other scrapbookers, but I did use some removable glue dots for it, so it'll be easy to pull out. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye!